Samsung Galaxy M17 5G comes with some brand new features that many users don't know about. Today I will show you some amazing hidden features that can make your phone smarter and more useful. So let's get started. Number 1. First of all, open settings. Then tap on display. After that, scroll down. And here you will find the option called Edge Panels. Simply turn it on. Now you can quickly access your favorite apps, tools and contacts by swiping from the edge of the screen. Number 2. In the display settings, just scroll down and tap on Navigation bar. Then select buttons or swipe gestures according to your preference. If you select swipe gestures, you will get more screen space and a cleaner look. So these were two useful hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy M17 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.